Hello YouTubers, this is Lenvid coming at you with another quick video. I know it's been a while I haven't posted, but things are not the same as they used to be. But we are hoping for the best. In today's video, I'd like to share with you my experience with the Makita half-inch high impact wrench. I've owned this tool for over 2 years now and it's been nothing but excellent. I've done a ton of work with it. Suspension parts, lag bolts, lug nuts, and so on, and it's been nothing but great. Not one issue, not even one time. It has a very tough build quality, super rigid. It can withstand a lot of drops, and it's super powerful. Has a max torque of 740 foot-pounds, and it also has a 3-speed system which you can regulate for precise fastening on whatever work you're working on. And I know you're seeing the smaller battery installed on the tool, but I never had the reason to use a bigger battery because already the tool is heavy. It weighs, without the battery, it weighs 6.9 pounds. And with the battery it weighs 7.9 pounds. So the tool is already heavy, and especially when using it overhead, it's much harder. With the small battery, it's still super powerful because I never had any issues and I've done a ton of work with it. Whatever I throw at it, it does every time, and super efficiently. Today I truly want to recommend this tool for anyone who is a do-it-yourselfer, a carpenter, a mechanic. This tool is a great addition to your toolbox. I highly recommend it. I have left a link in the description. If you want to support the channel in any way, you can use the link. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like this video if you like it, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.